Over 60? 4 herbal drinks to protect and restore eyesight. Have you ever noticed how your eyes get tired faster these days? Maybe words on the page seem a little blurry, or you need brighter light to read. As we age, our eyes go through natural changes. But here's something wonderful. Nature has quietly prepared simple herbs helping to protect our eyes in the digital age. You can incorporate these herbs into your daily routine to help counteract the harmful effects of screen light and aging on your eyes. In video today, we'll explore 4 remarkable herbal teas that can protect your eyes, slow down vision loss, and even help you see the world more clearly. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more tips for longevity health tips. 1. Saffron tea, the golden elixir for your eyes. Let's start with one of the most precious herbs in the world, saffron. For centuries, this golden spice has been used not only for its luxurious aroma, but also for its incredible healing properties. Modern science now confirms what ancient healers already knew. Saffron can protect your eyes from aging. Saffron contains powerful antioxidants called crocin and quercetin, which protect retinal cells from free radicals, those unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage. Researchers from the University of Sydney found that daily saffron supplementation improved retinal function in patients with early-stage macular degeneration. That means saffron doesn't just slow down damage, it may help restore some lost vision. Another benefit? Saffron boosts blood circulation to the retina and the choroid, the tiny network of blood vessels that nourishes your eyes. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching the cells that allow you to see. Saffron also contains beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, essential for maintaining sharp vision, especially in low light. How to make saffron tea. Add 5 to 10 saffron threads to a cup of warm water, around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. For a soothing twist, you can add a few dried chamomile flowers. Let it steep for about 10 minutes until the water turns a rich golden color. Enjoy it warm. It's not only calming for your mind, but also nourishing for your eyes. 2. Ginkgo biloba, turmeric, honey tea, a natural trio for healthy vision. Our next herbal combination is a powerful trio: ginkgo biloba, turmeric, and honey. Let's start with ginkgo biloba, a tree that has survived on Earth for more than 200 million years. Its fan-shaped leaves are packed with flavonoids and terpenoids, antioxidants that protect nerve cells, including the delicate ones in your eyes. Studies published in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics suggest that ginkgo biloba can improve blood flow to the retina and slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and glaucoma. These are 2 leading causes of vision loss in older adults. By increasing oxygen delivery and reducing inflammation, ginkgo helps your eyes stay clear and sharp. Now let's add turmeric, the golden spice of Asia. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of nature's strongest antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Curcumin helps maintain healthy lenses and protects the retina from oxidative stress, the same process that contributes to cataracts and macular degeneration. One challenge with curcumin is absorption. To make it more effective, combine it with black pepper. It contains piperine, a compound that boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. And finally, honey, a natural anti-inflammatory sweetener that soothes dry eyes and reduces irritation. A touch of lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, adds even more antioxidant protection. How to prepare this tea. 10 grams dried ginkgo biloba leaves, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, lemon juice, and honey to taste. Boil the ginkgo leaves and turmeric in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, then add lemon juice and honey before drinking. This herbal trio helps reduce eye dryness, protects the retina, and supports clear vision, naturally. Drink it regularly, especially if you spend long hours in front of screens or under artificial light. 3. Goji berry tea, the guardian of your eyes. If saffron is golden, then goji berries are the ruby jewels of eye health. Known in traditional Chinese medicine as the fruit of longevity, goji berries are famous for supporting liver and eye health, two organs that, according to Eastern medicine, are closely linked. What makes goji berries so special? They're loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter out harmful blue light and UV rays, protecting your retina from damage. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed goji berries daily showed higher levels of these protective pigments in their retina, meaning stronger defense against age-related macular degeneration. Goji berries are also rich in vitamin C and zinc, which help produce eye fatigue and dryness, two common problems among older adults. How to make goji berry tea. Add 1 tablespoon of dried goji berries, about 15 grams, to a cup. Pour in hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a little honey if you like sweetness. For extra warmth and anti-inflammatory benefits, you can add a slice of fresh ginger. As you sip, you might notice the berries becoming soft. You can even eat them. They're mildly sweet and full of nutrients. Goji tea helps refresh tired eyes, improve circulation around the optic nerves, and maintain clear vision. It's especially helpful for older adults experiencing night blindness or blurred vision due to fatigue or dry eyes. One note of caution: if you have low blood pressure or low blood sugar, drink this tea in moderation. 4. Rosemary tea, the fragrant drink that protects your eyes. Rosemary tea isn't just a cozy aromatic beverage, it may also help protect your eyesight as you age. This Mediterranean herb is rich in powerful antioxidants like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which can protect your retina from oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Studies have shown that these compounds may slow the damage to light-sensitive cells in the retina and support healthy blood circulation to the eyes. While most scientific studies use concentrated rosemary extract, regularly drinking rosemary tea can still offer gentle antioxidant protection that benefits your overall vision health. How to make rosemary tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, then add a little honey or lemon for flavor. Enjoy it warm, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach, to help your body absorb its nutrients better. For an extra soothing touch, let the tea cool and use it as a mild eye compress to reduce puffiness and refresh tired eyes. Practical tips for eye health. Of course, herbal teas work best when combined with healthy daily habits. Here are a few gentle reminders. Be consistent. Herbal support takes time. Drink your tea daily for several weeks to feel lasting benefits. Eat for your eyes. Include foods rich in vitamin A, C, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc, like carrots, spinach, salmon, and citrus fruits. Rest your eyes. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Get regular eye exams. Detecting issues like cataracts or glaucoma early makes treatment much easier. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes can worsen with dehydration, so balance your tea intake with plenty of water. Use caution. If you have specific eye conditions or are on medication, talk to your eye doctor before adding herbal teas. Frequently asked questions. Can herbal teas replace medical treatments for eye diseases? Not yes. Herbal teas are natural, supportive remedies, not substitutes for prescribed medications or treatments. They work best as part of a healthy lifestyle and preventive care routine. How much herbal tea should I drink daily? You can drink 1 to 2 cups a day is ideal. Avoid overuse. Moderation keeps your body balanced. Can I drink goji and ginkgo tea on the same day? Yes, but drink them a few hours apart to allow your body to absorb the nutrients effectively. Who should avoid herbal eye teas? Pregnant women, people allergic to herbs, or anyone on prescription medication should consult their doctor first. How should I store my herbal teas? Keep them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Moisture can reduce potency and cause mold. Your eyes are your window to the world, and like every precious window, they need gentle care. Herbal teas like saffron, ginkgo with turmeric, goji berry, and rosemary offer centuries of traditional wisdom backed by modern science. They don't just nourish your eyes, they nurture your entire well-being. So next time you make yourself a warm cup of tea, think of it as more than a drink. It's a small daily ritual to protect the beautiful way you see life. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HealthRise Simply for more natural, science-backed health tips every week. Together, let's keep your vision and your life bright and clear.